Hello, curious minds. Imagine if time could stop, rewind, or even run backwards. What if everything you know about time is just an illusion? Today we're diving deep into one of the most mind-bending mysteries of the universe, the true nature of time. In the simplest terms, time is a measure of change. It's how we track the progression of events from the past through the present and into the future. We observe change all around us. A plant grows, a song plays, the stars move across the night sky. Time gives us a framework to understand these changes and make sense of our experiences. It is woven into the very fabric of our lives. We measure it, track it, and often feel like we never have enough of it. But scientifically, time is much more than just the ticking of a clock. In physics, time is considered the fourth dimension, alongside the three spatial dimensions. It's what allows events to occur in a sequence, from past to present to future. Time gives structure to the universe, linking the past with the present and guiding us toward the future. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of time with his theory of relativity. He showed that time is not an absolute fixed entity, but rather it is intertwined with space itself, forming what we call space-time. And here's the mind-bending part. Depending on your speed or how close you are to a massive object, time can actually speed up or slow down. So what if time isn't the same for everyone everywhere? We experience time as a one-way street. We can't rewind to undo a mistake, nor can we fast forward to see the future. This unidirectional flow of time is often referred to as the arrow of time. One of the key concepts explaining the arrow of time is entropy. Entropy measures how much disorder or randomness exists within a system, or more precisely, how many ways the components of a system can be arranged. According to the second law of thermodynamics, entropy in the universe always increases over time. Think of a shattered glass. It's easy to go from a whole glass to a broken one, increasing disorder. But putting all those pieces back together to restore order? That takes significant effort and energy. The universe, like the shattered glass, tends towards disorder. This increase in entropy is what drives the arrow of time forward. However, while entropy provides a compelling explanation, the question of why time flows in one direction remains an active area of scientific inquiry and debate. What if everything we know about time is entirely wrong? Some physicists and philosophers suggest that time might be an illusion. This doesn't mean that our lives are fake. It suggests that time might not be a fundamental property of the universe, but rather a construct of our perception, a byproduct of how we experience reality. Take the quantum realm, for instance. Here, particles don't experience time the way we do. They can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon called superposition, and their properties aren't determined until they're observed. This strange behavior suggests that time, as we perceive it, may not be a fundamental aspect of reality at all. Einstein's theory of relativity challenged our classical view of time. He showed that time is not absolute but relative to the observer's frame of reference. Time can stretch, shrink, speed up, or slow down depending on factors like velocity and gravity. If time is relative, could it be entirely subjective? Some argue that our experience of time is simply a byproduct of how our brains process information and create a sense of continuity. This notion is mind-boggling. If time isn't real, what does that mean for our past, present, and future? Some theories, like the block universe model, propose that all these moments in time already exist. In this view, time is more like a landscape, and we're simply moving through it. So is the flow of time just an illusion created by our limited perspective? Time isn't just a cosmic phenomenon, it's deeply personal. Our memories, our goals, our very sense of identity, all are shaped by our experience of time. But if time is just an illusion, then what does that mean for us? Could our entire perception of past, present, and future be more about the way our brains process reality than an absolute truth of the universe? Zooming out from our human perspective, time plays a crucial role in our understanding of the universe itself. The Big Bang Theory, our best model for the origin of the universe, posits that time and space came into existence approximately 13.8 billion years ago. From that initial moment of cosmic expansion, time has been inexorably marching forward, shaping the evolution of galaxies, stars, and planets. The universe, as we observe it today, is a snapshot of time, a single frame in the grand cosmic movie. And what about the end of time? Cosmologists ponder the ultimate fate of the universe. Will it expand forever, or will it eventually collapse back in on itself in a big crunch? The answers to these questions are intertwined with the nature of time itself. Despite centuries of investigation and contemplation, time remains one of the most profound and enduring mysteries of the universe. We've made incredible strides in understanding its complexities, yet many questions remain unanswered. What exactly is time? Is it a fundamental property of the universe, or is it an emergent phenomenon arising from something deeper? Could we ever travel through time, either to the past or the future? Are there universes where time flows differently, or not at all? As we explore deeper into the cosmos and the very nature of existence, our understanding of time will undoubtedly continue to evolve. But for now, time keeps us curious. And maybe, that's the greatest mystery of all. So, what do you think? Is time a fundamental part of the universe, or is it just a construct of our perception? Could we ever travel through time, or is that just science fiction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through the mysteries of time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. There's so much more to explore in the vast universe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.